Just west of Kampsville, Illinois, in the heart of west central Illinois, sits 120 plus or minus acres of prime whitetail habitat. Approximately 77.25 plus or minus acres is currently enrolled in CRP, and the remaining acreage features rolling timber, wooded ravines, and natural funnels. Prime habitat for trophy whitetails. With southern access and prevailing west-northwest winds, the property is laid out perfectly for strategic stand access. This property offers an outstanding opportunity for investors and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a proven recreational and income-producing property in a region known for world-class deer. Highlights: 120 plus or minus acres in a highly sought-after hunting area near Kampsville, Illinois. 77.25 plus or minus acres enrolled in CRP, providing strong annual income. Diverse habitat of timber, draws, and natural pinch points. Excellent deer and turkey hunting. The current CRP contract pays $257.03 per acre annually. 40 plus or minus acres joining this property is also for sale. For details or a private tour, contact Dale Dunn with Premier Farm Realty Group and Auction at 636-443-9481. Acreage subject to survey. CRP allocation and terms to be confirmed upon split.